Hey guys, what's up? It's me. Yeah, as some of you might have known, I've already quit my job to travel around the world, and starting with my bucket list. And the first on my bucket list is the Camino de Santiago. As some of you might have known that it starts from Saint John in France all the way to Spain, Santiago de Compostela. So today we're heading there. I'm here currently at Incheon in a random hotel near the airport, and we're gonna head to the airport. We're gonna take a flight to Beijing and transit at Beijing and fly to Paris, and from Paris we'll just head to Biarritz, and from Biarritz we have to take a train all the way to Saint John to actually start. I think we probably only be able to start the day after tomorrow. So yep, let's move out. We gotta go now. Hey guys, it's currently 8:10 in the evening here in Paris. I'm in Paris now. It was a lot of rush just now. I went from Incheon to Beijing, and in Beijing I had to do a transfer. I was almost late for my flight from Beijing all the way to Paris. Now I'm in Paris. And from Paris again I took a taxi, 60 euros I think, all the way to Paris Orly airport, because I have a flight to catch tomorrow at 12:30. Flight is at 12:30. We're gonna take a flight all the way to Biarritz, and from Biarritz we have to take a train to Saint John, where we start the walk. But the walk will only start day after tomorrow. So yeah, for now I'm like caught up here in my room. I mean, the room is okay. It's an average room, and it's pretty warm. It's not cold here in Paris at all compared to Korea. And I got myself a sandwich from a nearby petrol kiosk, and also a salad. 밥 없는 거는 마음 단단히 준비해야 되네. 밥 없어. 그래, 샌드위치 이런 거만 먹고 살아야겠다. 그런 느낌으로. 이제는 여기서 준비한 거는 이따가 아마 편집 조금 하다가 I'm just gonna do some editing for my Chiang Mai trips, and also Tokyo, which is coming up, if you guys know. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow morning when we make a way to Orly airport. And thank you. What's up? Hey guys, we're gonna move out of the hotel now, and we're gonna head to the Orly airport, where we're gonna take a plane to Biarritz. And I'll film along the way. I'll see you guys. I'm here at the bus station waiting for a shuttle bus that will take me to the airport. The next one will be at 9:34. It's about 9:22 now. And yeah, this is France in the morning, Paris in the morning. I'm at the outskirts of Paris, so the bus is going to come from there. Hey guys, we're here at Orly Airport. We're going to Terminal 3, which is over there. We're gonna head to Terminal 3 now. Over there. What's up guys, I'm here in Biarritz, and yeah, we're gonna walk to the train station. It's about 2 kilometers away, so yeah, gotta go. Into this nice neighborhood we have here. It's been a long time since I came to Europe, so it's just like another view for me. It's very unlike Asia. I mean, I'm loving it. It's like a change of scenery, you see. Okay guys, we're finally here at Biarritz station. Up, we're gonna cross and go over. 일본 감성과 다른 유럽 감성입니다. 지금 15분 남았어요. 차 올 때까지. We just have to wait a little bit more and the train will be here and we have to get up the train with my backpack and me.
Destination Dax. Prochain arrêt, Bayonne.
We're here now. We go to the accommodation. Alright guys, we're on the way to the property now. Finally we're here at St. John. And I'll check back again once I reach the property. Okay?